Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you. If you forget your Roblox account password, then you can find your password. So for that, just open your any browser if you are on a laptop or a PC, or if you are on your mobile and white mobile, just go to your settings. At the bottom, you will see Google options. So now here in PC or laptop, click on your account and go to manage your Google account. Just when you click on this manage your Google account, here just click on this security option. So just click on security. Now scroll down and here you will see an option. Manage passwords. Just click on this manage passwords. Now in this you will get the list of all the websites that you have logged in on your laptop or a PC. Or if you are a mobile phone, you will get all the apps or a website on your mobile phone where you have logged in. So in this list, you will get roblox.com option. Just like here you can see this is all the website. If you log in on your laptop with your Roblox account once, so you will get this here. So just click on that app. Let's say I will click on this one. In the same way, you will click on the Roblox account and you will get here in this list. So just you will click on that. You will get the option to check your password. So here you just click on that one and your password will be shown. So this is the way how you can check your password if you forgot it. Thank you for watching.